Smell. Fresh bread always smells wonderful. I am smelling something strange in the kitchen. I have smelt smoke somewhere in the house. The dog has been smelling around the garden for a while. I smelt the flowers as I walked past. I was smelling the soup when it boiled over. I had smelt the gas before I saw the flame. The hall had been smelling of paint for days before the opening. This candle will smell of lavender all evening. I will be smelling every sample at the perfume counter. By tonight, the roast will have smelt up the whole flat. By spring, the garden will have been smelling of roses for weeks.